3, 2, 1.
Who won the 2022 Snooker World Championship? The answer is B. Ronnie O'Sullivan. What is thought to be the oldest eukaryotes? The answer is A. Protists. What type of alcohol is traditionally used in the Greek dish moussaka? The answer is D. Red wine. What can be broken without being held as a? The answer is C. Day. Which ancient Greek temple has the most surviving columns? The answer is D. Temple of Hephaestus. Why is the drift velocity negligible? The answer is C. Many free charges. On the Origin of Species is a book by Darwin that spells out what theory? The answer is C. Theory of evolution. Where is the capital of Denmark located? The answer is C. Copenhagen. What is the capital city of Australia? The answer is C. Canberra. Which Dodger pitcher was named the 1963 World Series Most Valuable Player? The answer is C. Sandy Koufax. Who was the guardian of the gates of hell and inferno by Dante? The answer is A. Cerberus. What is the middle name of Meryl Streep? The answer is C. Louise. What is the fundamental force responsible for gravitational attraction between objects? The answer is D. Gravitational force. What do we call the lined paper typically used for writing in school? The answer is C. Copybook. How many times was Henry Fonda married? The answer is D. 5. When plants and animals die, which organisms help return nutrients to the food chain? The answer is A. Decomposers. What would a sedimentary rock likely hold? The answer is A. A trilobite. There are 15 birds sitting on the branches of a tree. A hunter goes by and shoots 3 of them. How many birds are left on the tree? The answer is C. 0. Which painting is known as the Laughing Cavalier? The answer is A. The Starry Night. What's big, rough, and stands still for years? The answer is B. Granite. What is a bustle in fashion history? The answer is A. A puffed skirt shape popular in the Victorian era. If you were taking a course in entomology, what would you be studying? The answer is B. Insects. What is Tori Spelling's birth name? The answer is B. Victoria Davies Spelling. Who was the first woman to be shot by the FBI? The answer is D. Bonnie Parker. What does SEO stand for in digital marketing? The answer is C. Social engineering. Which item helps you to cut and shape materials?
The answer is B. Scissors.
What is a student's primary writing instrument? The answer is B. Pencil. What is less dense than either solids or liquids? The answer is B. Gases. What is the term for a situation where an increase in the price of a product decreases the quantity demanded? The answer is C. Price elasticity. Which law states that force equals mass times acceleration? The answer is B. Newton's second law. Which celestial body is closest to Jupiter in size? The answer is D. Ganymede. How do decomposers obtain their food? The answer is C. Absorbing food from dead organisms. What is a rapid, violent wind called? The answer is B. Tornado. 3 of the 4 players have been recognized as most valuable player of the Chicago White Sox, which bore the nickname the Chicago Black Sox for a while. Who is the odd one? The answer is A. Ozzie Guillén. In May 2005, the Massachusetts state government repealed a law involving Native Americans. What did the original law ban? The answer is B. Native Americans entering Boston. Which animal lays eggs called eggshell arc? The answer is A. A turtle. What is the name of the compound formed when sulfuric acid reacts with sodium carbonate? The answer is A. Sodium sulfate. Speaking of the famous fairy tale, that girl with the long hair was named which of these plants? The answer is D. Rampion. Which piece of clothing covers the entire body, opening at the front and fastening with laces or hooks? The answer is D. Coat. Bees are naturalized on every continent except which? The answer is C. Antarctica. A nerve cell that carries messages is called a? The answer is D. Neuron. What is a baby cow called? The answer is A. Calf. What is the process by which a zygote develops into an adult organism? The answer is A. Mitosis. What late-night NBC talk show was hosted by Steve Allen from 1954 to 1957? The answer is C. The Tonight Show. What are responsible for the bending movements of the organelle? The answer is A. Dyneins. Mr. We Could Use a Man Like Herbert Hoover Again comes from the theme song of which popular American show? The answer is D. All in the Family. In which sport would you find a slam dunk? The answer is A. Basketball. What famous landmark is featured in the beginning of the movie A View to a Kill? The answer is A. The Eiffel Tower in Paris. What diminutive fairy tale character encounters a toad, a beetle, a mouse, a mole, and a swallow? The answer is B. Thumbelina. What does the phrase "to be blue blouse sein" mean in German language?